Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Let me prop you guys up right here. All right, so today I am going to be sharing my morning routine with you guys. I figured, you know, since I moved into a new house, I've done some other morning routines on my channel, so if you haven't seen those, make sure you check them out. I'll leave them down below in the description box. But, you know, I switch them up all the time anyway because, you know, as life changes, sometimes your routine changes as well. So I'm gonna be sharing my little morning routine with you guys, and I hope that it inspires you. So let's get right into the video. All right, first things first, I have to take Bubs out before I decrustify because this girl is just like staring at me, ready to go to the restroom. Are you ready to go outside? Okay. All right, so we're gonna take Bubs outside. Come on, Bubs. Oh, there she go. Take her outside for a little potty break. And the good thing about her is like she's really good off the leash, so I'll just like let her out. And it's a nice way for me to also to just get some fresh air before the day starts. So it's dark in here. Bubs, let's go. Dark in here, have no furniture. I'll be giving a little update soon in the house. But yeah. Go potty, mama. Go potty. Bubs, come over here. So my dog, am I the only one, but my dog really hates stepping in wet grass. I don't know, if you have a small dog, comment down below, let me know. Is my dog the only one? She's very like, I don't know, when it's wet outside, she is like not messing with it. So I don't know if it's just my dog and if she's just bougie or what, but I know big dogs probably like getting messy, but she's just like not with it at all. So let me know down below in the comments. Are we done? Come here. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. I think we're done. Oh, stretch it out, girl. Get your morning stretch in. All right, so now that Bubs has handled her business, it's time for mommy to handle hers, okay? So I am gonna decrustify now. Definitely gonna brush my teeth. Hygiene is important, okay? And wash my face a little bit, as well as do my hair. It's currently like braided right now into 2 braids. So I don't know, okay. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna come out. I mean, the intention was to do kind of like a big braid out. We'll see. If not, I'll just throw it in the ponytail, keep it moving. But that is the plan. Let's get into it. Alright, now I am going to do my basic little skincare routine, okay? It's super basic. All I'm doing is using this foaming facial cleaner, and yeah, very basic, daily moisturizer and some sunscreen, okay? It's sheer sunscreen. So I'm pretty basic. If there's other steps that you guys recommend me kind of incorporating in my routine, let me know. I have, for the most part, normal skin, so it's not dry, it's not oily, it's very normal. And but there are some other things that I do want to do. Like I do want to kind of like start to do things for like under the eye sometimes, because I feel like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's either like very dark under my eyes or kind of baggy, whatever. So I know like things like water and diet plays a big part in that. So I'm aware of that. But you know, it would be nice to kind of have maybe, I don't know, do some eye patches or something like that under the eye, kind of like a little mask or whatever. So if you recommend anything, let me know down below in the comments. But I'm gonna get started my skincare routine. First, I'm gonna wash my face because it is really crusty, you guys. Gotta get all those little eye boogies out. So now now that my face is washed, I'm gonna go in with my facial cleanser. Sometimes I'll use my facial steamer just to kind of get the product in there really nice and just for like a spa-like treatment. But this morning, I'm like, I don't really have time for that. So this morning, I'm gonna actually use my Radiance Spincare system by Duvolle, which thank you Duvolle for sending me this product. You guys, this thing right here is amazing, and I've been using the cleansing brush head. It actually comes with 4 brush heads in total. So one is like an exfoliant, the other one is like a pumice stone, which you can use on like the heels of your feet, which I haven't used this yet, but it feels really, really good. So I'll definitely be using this to kind of soften the heels of my feet. And the other one is a bigger brush that you can use to exfoliate in the shower, which I really, really love because I'm really big on just like a nice shower routine. Comment down below, let me know if you guys are gonna see my like shower routine and the products that I use rather. I've been really big on that lately, just trying to kind of use like more exfoliant to take my time in the shower and make it more like a spa-like experience, because I really do love that moment in the shower. I feel like it's kind of like my moment to kind of unwind a little bit. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with the cleansing head. All you need is literally like 4 I think it's double A batteries that I use, and it turns on like this. And so I'm gonna go in with the product and use this for my face. You know I got you guys, as always, okay? I have a code down below for this product and a link. So go ahead and check it out. It'll be down below in the description box if you guys are interested. And yeah, I really, like I said, I've been using this product for like a week now, and I really love the product. And I really can kind of, I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I feel like my skin is a bit softer. Just kind of having this do the work instead of my hands, which I do like using my hands too, and I will alternate if I just don't have time to pull this out. But I really love just having this product and it doing the work for me, because sometimes I don't want to use my hands to kind of like massage the product. So I absolutely love it. Like I said, everything will be down below in the description box. And thank you to Duvolle for sending me and gifting me with this product. Okay, I feel more alive now. So I'm gonna go in with a little hair serum by Pattern, which you guys, Tracy Ellis like did something with this hair care line. I absolutely love every product. So I'm almost out. I'm out of the actual like shampoo and conditioner, so I have to go get some more. I ordered it from Curlbox one time. It was like, I don't know, $25, something insane for the entire set, which if you guys know, the products itself are pretty expensive, but now I'm like, oh, it's worth it, because I just love the way it made my hair feel. And other products I've been using, like, I don't know, they just don't really do the same for my hair. So I'm gonna probably go back and get some more, because I really do love how it, you know, just makes my hair feel. And plus I have color in my hair, so I have to be careful with just kind of the products I use. And I need to make sure they're moisturizing as well. Again, not a hair care specialist or expert, but you know, I just do the best I can for myself. But I love that oil. I recommend it if you're kind of, you know, into oils and serums for your hair. But I'm just gonna brush my hair out a little bit and throw her into a nice little pony. So let's get it. Look, you can never fill with a bun, okay? It's a classic little look with the baby hairs. Classic. All right, now I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna make a little breakfast. I think I'm gonna probably work out later today rather than early this morning, because I do have like a heavier schedule. And the thing about a routine is that, you know, even though you wanna keep it very structured, sometimes like it's okay to be flexible. So today I won't be working out this morning. I typically honestly don't work out in the mornings. I'm trying to do more working out in the morning. It just never falls that way. It just doesn't happen. I usually just get it in after work. which has its pros and cons, but that's what's gonna happen today, okay? It is what it is, okay? I am going to just work out later today after work, but I am gonna make a little breakfast before I start my work day. I'm thinking a little turkey sausage and some Ezekiel bread and probably some avocado. Yes, probably doing some avocado toast. So I think I have an onion on it, but I think I have an avocado. Yeah. I am going to eat my beautiful breakfast. Oh, it looks so pretty and it tastes good too because I bit a little of the avocado toast. And the turkey sausage. Oh my God, so good. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my breakfast, drink my tea of course. And I always have some water too at my desk. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine in my new house. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you in the family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.